everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone still relying on their trusty Visioneer OneTouch scanner. We're talking about the Dysead AC/DC power adapter, specifically designed to be compatible with a range of models including the 5800, 7100, 8100, 8920, 9320, and 9420 scanners. If you own one of these workhorses, you know how crucial a reliable power source is, and this adapter aims to deliver just that, with significant peace of mind built right in. One of the standout features of this Dysead adapter, and frankly, what should be a top priority for any electronic accessory, is its commitment to safety. The manufacturer proudly states that this product comes with international quality certification, ensuring it meets top industry standards. This isn't just marketing. It translates into real-world protection for your valuable scanner and your home. We're talking about comprehensive safety mechanisms that guard against common electrical mishaps, short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. In an age where cheap, unreliable power adapters can be a real hazard, having these layers of protection is incredibly reassuring. It means you can plug in your scanner and focus on your tasks without worrying about potential damage or safety risks. Beyond safety, the adapter boasts impressive technical specifications that make it a practical choice. Its input range is a versatile AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage compatibility means it's suitable for use in various regions globally and offers flexibility within different power environments. The design emphasizes high power exchange efficiency, which is key to maintaining a stable working temperature. This efficiency helps prevent the adapter itself from getting excessively hot during prolonged use, contributing to its longevity and consistent performance. It's a corded electric wall mount design, typical for these types of adapters, making it convenient to plug directly into an outlet without extra cables cluttering your workspace. The Dysead brand has clearly focused on providing a robust and dependable power solution. It's a straightforward black adapter designed to blend in discreetly. While it might seem like a simple component, the quality of your power adapter directly impacts the performance and lifespan of your electronic devices. For owners of the specified Visioneer OneTouch scanners, this adapter presents itself as a dedicated and well-engineered replacement or spare. The manufacturer does include a helpful reminder to double-check compatibility before purchasing, which is always good advice to ensure you get the right fit for your specific scanner model. Ultimately, if you're looking for a safe, efficient, and compatible power adapter to keep your Visioneer OneTouch scanner running smoothly, this Dysead offering certainly warrants your attention.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.